Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Calculus AB. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes 45 multiple-choice questions and 6 free response questions. The exam is 3 hours and 15 minutes long, with a 1 hour and 45-minute multiple-choice section and a 1 hour and 30-minute free response section. Focus on understanding core concepts like limits, derivatives, and integrals deeply. To truly excel, consistent practice is key. The College Board provides excellent resources, including full-length practice exams and topic-specific questions. Aim to complete at least 2 full practice tests under timed conditions. Supplement this with problems from your textbook or trusted online platforms. Don't just solve, analyze your errors to strengthen your understanding and avoid repeating them. Beyond memorizing formulas, strive for a deep conceptual understanding. Ask yourself why a particular theorem works or what a derivative truly represents graphically. Calculus is interconnected, so seeing how limits lead to derivatives and derivatives to integrals is crucial. Visualizing functions and their transformations will significantly enhance your problem-solving abilities and retention. As the exam approaches, consolidate your knowledge. Dedicate time to reviewing all major theorems, definitions, and common mistakes. A well-structured study schedule will help you cover all material without feeling overwhelmed. On exam day, ensure you are well-rested and nourished. Read each question carefully, show all your work, and manage your time effectively to maximize your score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.